something strange is happening right now. A quiet shift. The kind of shift that only becomes obvious years later when people look back and say, that was the moment everything changed. Because while millions of people are still using artificial intelligence to generate funny images or ask random questions, a smaller group of people is using AI to make money. Real money. And no, this is not one of those videos promising overnight success. Because if you clicked on this expecting some magical website that makes $10,000 while you sleep with zero effort, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you want real opportunities, tools that people are genuinely using to build businesses, side hustles, and income online, then this video might completely change how you see the future. Because here's the truth. AI is no longer optional. The people who learn these tools early are gaining leverage. And the people who ignore them, they risk becoming slower, less competitive, and replaceable. So today, we're breaking down the best AI tools to make money in 2026. Not random hype, not sponsored nonsense. Real tools with real income potential. And one of them could become your biggest advantage over the next few years. Let's begin. The biggest lie about AI tools. Before we talk about the tools themselves, there's something important you need to understand. Most people misunderstand AI completely. They think AI is supposed to replace effort. That's wrong. AI does not reward lazy people. It rewards fast learners. It rewards people who move quickly. Think about it this way. Imagine two people start the same business. One person spends 10 hours doing everything manually. The other person uses AI and finishes the same work in 3 hours. Who wins? The answer is obvious. AI doesn't replace ambition. It multiplies productivity. And productivity compounds. That's why some people are suddenly growing faster than ever before. Not because they're smarter, because they're more efficient. Now let's talk about the tools that are creating opportunities right now. Number 5, AI writing tools. Writing makes money. That's a reality most people underestimate. Every business needs writing. Emails, advertisements, sales pages, scripts, social media content, product descriptions, blog posts, and the businesses that communicate better usually make more money. This is where AI writing tools become powerful. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank screen, people are now generating ideas, refining content, improving marketing, and creating faster than ever before. The smartest freelancers are not replacing themselves with AI. They're becoming 10 times faster. A script that once took 6 hours now takes 1. A sales email that once felt difficult suddenly becomes easier to write. And businesses don't care whether AI helped. They care whether results improved. That's the lesson. Nobody pays for effort. They pay for outcomes. Some people are using AI writing tools to start freelance businesses. Others are creating faceless YouTube channels. Some are selling ebooks. Others are running marketing agencies. The opportunities are everywhere, but only if you actually learn how to use the tools properly. Because using AI badly creates average results. And average results rarely make money. Number 4, video creation.ai tools. This category might completely dominate the internet over the next decade. Because attention has become the most valuable currency in the world. Think about it. Every company wants attention. Every creator wants attention. Every business wants visibility. And video is winning. The problem? Traditional video creation takes time. Script writing, editing, voiceovers, visuals, music, animation. For years, creating high-quality content required teams of people. Now, one person can do what entire teams used to do. AI video tools are helping creators generate visuals, edit faster, create cinematic sequences, improve storytelling, and speed up production dramatically. This is why faceless YouTube channels are exploding. A single person with a laptop can now build a media business. And here's the bigger opportunity. You don't even need your own channel. You can create videos for businesses, for creators, for coaches, for startups, because millions of people want content, but very few know how to make it professionally. And when demand grows faster than supply, money follows. Always. Number 3, AI design tools. Here's something most people overlook. Design influences almost everything. Thumbnails, logos, advertisements, websites, social media graphics, presentations, branding, and businesses are constantly paying for visual content. But here's the interesting part. You no longer need to become a professional designer before getting started. AI design tools are helping people create mock-ups, improve images, generate concepts, and speed up creative work. Now, let's be clear. Bad design still looks bad. AI won't magically fix terrible taste. But if you spend time learning basic design principles, these tools become incredibly powerful. Imagine helping businesses create social media content. Imagine building thumbnails for YouTube creators. Imagine offering visual branding services to small companies. The opportunity isn't just a tool. The opportunity is the problem it solves. That's what smart people understand. Tools are temporary. Problem solving lasts forever. Number 2, AI automation tools. This is where things become serious. Because businesses hate repetitive work. Anything repetitive becomes expensive. Imagine someone spends 5 hours every week answering the same customer questions, scheduling appointments, sending follow-up emails, organizing leads, managing systems. Now imagine software handles everything automatically. Suddenly, time is saved. Efficiency improves. Customers get faster replies. And businesses make more money. That's why automation is exploding. Businesses are obsessed with saving time because time eventually becomes profit. People who understand automation are quietly building agencies right now. They're helping businesses automate customer service, bookings, sales processes, lead generation, internal systems. And businesses are paying thousands for this help. Why? Because automation solves expensive problems. And expensive problems create valuable opportunities. This might genuinely become one of the biggest business opportunities of the next decade. Number 1, AI assistants and research tools. This one might sound boring, but boring opportunities often become the biggest. Information is valuable. Research is valuable. Decision-making is valuable. And businesses are drowning in information overload. They need faster research, better ideas, smarter systems, competitor analysis, market insights, customer understanding, content planning, strategy. This is where AI assistants become incredibly powerful. People are using them to improve productivity, speed up thinking, generate business ideas, improve workflows, and make smarter decisions faster. Some freelancers are even offering AI research services. Others are helping businesses organize information. Some creators are building entire content systems around AI assistants. The smartest people aren't asking, what can AI do for fun? They're asking, what expensive problem can AI solve? Because that question changes everything. The real secret to making money with AI. Now, here's something nobody wants to hear. The tool itself is not the opportunity. The person using the tool is, because millions of people have access to the exact same AI tools. Yet, most will never make money. Why? Because tools don't matter without skill. And skill takes repetition. The people who win in 2026 will not necessarily be the smartest. They'll be the fastest learners, the most adaptable, the most consistent, and most importantly, the people willing to start before they feel ready. Because perfection is expensive, waiting is expensive, and hesitation costs opportunities. 5 years from now, people will probably split into 2 groups. The first group will say, AI ruined everything. The second group will quietly say, AI changed my life. And the difference between those 2 groups may come down to one simple decision: learning. Because the biggest opportunities usually feel uncertain in the beginning. The internet felt uncertain. Social media felt uncertain. Online businesses felt uncertain. And now AI feels uncertain. But uncertainty is often where opportunity lives. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about money, business, psychology, and smart ways to build income in the modern world. And remember this, the future rarely belongs to the people who waited. It belongs to the people who learned early and moved first.